Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the next part of this isomerism, that one is functional group isomerism. It is just one of the structural isomerism. In functional group isomerism, compounds, organic compounds having same molecular formula but have different functional group. For example, when you are going to consider this molecule, this is dimethyl ether, but you can have this is butanol 1. It means ether and alcohol have examples of, so an example of functional group isomerism. Ether and alcohol. Another example, let's consider ethanol, and here you are having dimethyl ether, or you can have aldehyde and ketones, aldehydes and ketones. Let's consider this is acetone, 3 carbon containing ketone, and now you are having here propanol, propyl aldehyde, or even carboxylic acid with ester also shows example of this functional group isomerism. Here, let's consider you are having this ethanoic acid, that is acetic acid, and here you are having methyl formate or methyl methanoate. This is ester. Another example, let's consider you are having 1, 2, 3 propanoic acid, 3 carbon containing carboxylic acid, and here this is methyl ethanoate, propanoic acid, methyl ethanoate. Here in these examples, it is very much clear that here functional group is ester, here carboxylic acid. In aldehyde and ether, in one case it is OH group, alcoholic group, in other case it is ether group. Or in aldehyde and ketone also, in one group you are having C double bond O, that is keto group, and in other one it is aldehyde group. This clearly indicates, shows examples of functional group isomerism. Now we are coming up to next, that one is ring chain isomerism. Here you have to note that ring chain isomerism is a specific case of chain isomerism. Ring chain. Some of the compounds, normally unsaturated hydrocarbons and cyclic hydrocarbons, shows examples of ring chain isomerism. For example, if you are having this propene and cyclopropane, both are having molecular formula C3H6. Or if you are having this butene, 4 carbon containing carboxylic acid, alkene, that means butene 1. Here you can have this methyl propane or cyclobutane. This is methyl propane and this is methyl cyclopropane. Butane. If you are going to write the double bond at second carbon atom, you can have again an open chain compound. That one is butene 2. It means in this case you can have two different pair of ring chain isomer. Here butene 1 with methyl cyclopropane or butene 1 with this cyclobutane, as well as butene 2 with methyl cyclopropane or butene 2 with cyclobutane. So the pair of ring chain isomer. Here you can say that in open chain 4 carbon atoms are there. Here in chain, cyclic chain, only 3 carbon. In cyclic chain 4 carbon. In open chain 4 carbon. It means you can say that this ring chain isomerism is one of the part or specific case of this chain isomerism only. This is all about structural isomerism. Thanks.